High fly ball down the right field line. That ball is gone. A home run for Bird. And the Yankees take a 3-1 lead.
Here's the 3-2. Swung on, and there goes to deep center. It is high, it is far, it is gone off the back wall. Wow, what a shot. Greg goes bye-bye birdie in the center field area. It's a 2-run home run for the Birdman of New York, and the Yankees take a 3-2 lead.
That one is drilled to right field. There it goes! See ya! A 3-run home run for Bird. And the Yankees lead 3-1.
Bird hits this one deep to right field, way back, no doubt. This one is gone, and the Yankees have taken a 3-2 lead. Maybe one fastball too many. Home run number 6. That's what the Yankees have been waiting for from Greg Bird.
That one is driven to right center field. On the run is Herrera looking up. See ya! Tie game. Big home run for Bird.
The 3-2 with the runner going is swinging a high drive to right field. Bruce gives this one a look, and this one is gone! The third Yankee homer of the night. 8-3 New York.
And the 0-2. That one is drilled deep to right center field. There it goes. See ya! Bird with a 3-run home run, and the Yankees lead 8-5. Oh, did he crush that? Deep to right. There it goes. See ya! And Bird flies around the bases with a 2-run home run. His first big league home run, and the Yankees lead 2-0. That one is drilled to right center field. Rosario back, still back, looking up. See ya! Another home run for Greg Bird, and he gives the Yankees the lead 4-3. 2 home runs for the rookie, arriving in a big way here in the Bronx. That one is drilled to right field. Bautista back, it's over his head, over the wall. See ya! A big 3-run home run for Greg Bird, and the Yankees have taken the lead. They're up 6-3.
Well, it was just a matter of how far. It was obvious that Bautista was not going to catch it. And Bird with his second home run in 2 nights, and then yet another home run that gives the Yankees the lead. Is he pumped up or what? It looked like Lowe hung him a slider.
In this series off of Andrew Miller.